I'm Suyang. In this part, I will introduce you how do we collect the data from the website. As you can see, I use Jupyter Notebook to run some Python script to help us to collect the data. We collect data mainly from this website. You can see course.money.163.com, and we collect stock informations of stocks in China, which is Shanghai stock market, and we use two packages to help us finish this job. One is request. We use this package to get HTML file from the website. As you can see, almost every information we need is included in this HTML file, which is a source file. Then we use BS4, this package, to sparse this HTML file to extract the information we need. You can see we use this package to get information with a class called COLR, and we can actually get the information like this. This could be the number we need. Then in this part, I wrote I use some loops to help us collect data of the stocks with stock numbers in this range. You can see we got 88 active stock. We're not active. We can say it's useful, and yeah, we can say valid stocks in this stock number range, and then we can use another loop to get another financial statement of the stocks, and then we can actually get the stock price. As you can see, in this part I use the stock price of the last day of 1 year, which is December 30 or December 31. And you can see we got stock price for 83 stocks, and I defined some functions to help us solve this problem quicker. Yeah, I start from this star number to 601,000. Yeah, and we can actually get 788 stocks, and actually and we can get this many stocks, which meets our standard. And all this information, including the stock price and the information from the financial statement, we combine them and wrote them into a CSV file, as we did before. Then we can use this CSV file as our data set, and we can use this to train our model and test our model. Yeah, that's this correct data part.
Hi everyone. I'm a student of the course Big Data Analysis, and I want to introduce something about my final course project. And after we collect the data from the stock market of Shanghai and Shenzhen, and we use all the data in the financial statement, and now we need to process this data, and we need to to put all those data into our deep learning model. As we could see, this is our data that is collected from the financial statement, and from C to G, this is the profits per share of a given stock, and from H to L, this is the net profit of a company of a whole year, and from M to Q, this 5 data is the operating profit of a stock, and from R to V, and this is the net asset of a company, and this is the debt of that company. In the final 6 column, we could find from AB to AF. This is the price of a stock from 2011 to 2015. The price of that stock, and in the final column, this is the price of that stock in the year 2016. After we collect all those data, we need to to normalize those data so that we could give every feature the equal chance. Let us run this cell in the Jupyter Notebook. As you could see, after we process the data, all those data will be, to resize into smaller scale. Let me show you this in CSV file. You could find now the data that is almost 1 million was rescaled into only 1.05. So it's much more smaller. Only in this way we could give every feature the equal chance, and we could just make our machine learning model to have the best training and testing accuracy. Okay, after that, we just put all the data that is processed into our model. It will take some time. We need to run this firstly. Okay, we need to close this firstly. And then we could run our model. We could find that the accuracy is growing up. And then we need to collect the test data and process them. Let me run this cell. Okay, now we could get the text accuracy from our model. And you could find that our test accuracy is 0.53. There are 4 types of stock in our data set. So the random accuracy will be 25%, but the accuracy of our model is 0.53%. To give you an impression intuitively, the label of the stock market is bigger, and that stock will be better. For example, the label 3 represents a stock who has a very good price in the 6th year. That is even larger than the max price in the first 5th year. Okay, so I think our model could give you some reasonable advice when you choose a stock. Thank you.